We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc., AMC stock. And before we break it all down, we have a huge day coming up for AMC on Monday. We're going to break down all the data and information and what I'm going to be looking for an opportunity with this stock going into this week. And this is probably a huge week for the stock overall. So as we jump into it, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned on Friday morning over at the Discord. We managed to find one home run opportunity, giving us 20% plus, as well as what 42 Vision is, because I do analysis every single day with 42 Vision. And you could see here in the chart the weakness and the strengths. And we're going to break it all down here with AMC stock and what's been going on and what is expected going into tomorrow. So the opportunities I mentioned today all gave realistic expectations, except for one that turned out to be a home run, and that was FATBB after pulling back towards $21 and taking off towards 26, giving nearly a 20% plus move. And if you want to know early on what stocks we're watching every single morning to get in on early or be equipped and prepared for what is coming throughout the day through the volatility, join us. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So I see a lot of comments down below because I usually do chart analysis with 42 Vision on what it is and how it really works. So here I have a 5-minute chart pulled up, and you could see the shifts throughout the chart, right? This right here is extreme weakness, and this is the area that I like to call the dip, and I'm watching for a transition. And when the transition happens, my goal is to be within that transition to maximize on the opportunity. And it went up from $36 all the way up to $39, nearly 10%. Just an example here on this chart. Now, if you look at the chart here, how it's pulling back, these are green candlesticks with red borders. On a regular chart without 42 Vision, it would just be red candlesticks, and that right there could have alone shaken me out. And usually when it's still green, even though it has red borders, it is signifying there's still some strength for a possible leg up again, and that's exactly what happened. And the 42 Vision indicator, which allows me to focus in on the charts, remove the noise, remove the volatility, and maximize on opportunities. Check out the link down below, and by choosing the 42 Vision tier level, you will gain access to the 42 Vision indicator and everything I just stated. Let's go ahead and jump into these charts. I look forward to getting you guys set up and having you join us. So here we are with AMC Entertainment Holdings. And why is tomorrow a huge day? Well, we're going into earnings, guys. Earnings is tomorrow, and earnings was beat in Q2. Q3, a lot of people are seeing it as an opportunity to say that it's going to beat it as well. And you could see the quarterly, it's going back up slowly but surely. And AMC Entertainment is looking for a possible beat in earnings, right? A lot of people are anticipating that. You can even see it in the dip here since October 28th, and it's been pushing upwards towards earnings date. And if you notice that about a lot of stocks, regardless if it's AMC or not, a lot of stocks that have been beating earnings, they fall, right? Because of their further guidance. Now, AMC is also looked at as a reopening play, right? A possibility that their further guidance continues to look good, but for some reason, some shareholders are going to sell. It just happens almost every single time during earnings, and earnings is tomorrow, November 8th. It's going to be a huge day. Depending how earnings looks, it's going to either motivate more investors, even those that have been on the sidelines, to join in on the AMC movement, or it's going to demotivate investors and some of the holders to be watching for a dip opportunity. So I'm going to talk about some of the things that have happened here on the 30-minute, way back here when this went into weakness on October 22nd, and over here on October 27th, you can see with 42 Vision, the extreme weakness, and around that area was the dip. It consolidated, it fought, and it bounced back up from those lows. Okay, the last time we got close to those lows was way back here in September, and every single time that we get to those lows on 42 vision, it is a clear reversal after it has found a bottom, right? It starts telling us that we're going into oversold area. It reverses pretty quickly, but not enough volume. Volume continues to bring it down. Then it finally finds that reversal, that full transition from red candlesticks with green borders to green, and then the green push up, right, of momentum. And you can just see that, how it went from literally way down here at $33 all the way up to 41, and then it continued to have that fight, brought itself back up. The most recent weakness here and here, it was just off by a few dollars here, 35, and down here at these lows of 34, only $1 off, literally catching the bottom between those two. And this reversal has been strong, back up to 44, and we're currently sitting at 41. So what is it that I'm going to be watching going into tomorrow and also this week, and why AMC has potential beyond the short squeeze and all of the momentum that AMC has behind the naked shorting and so forth, why it has the possibility to even go higher or have some strength in the future. So what is it that's going to give AMC some type of value beyond just revenue, beyond just this short squeeze, beyond the potential it's already built, and also being a reopening play? Well, it has to do what's coming towards the end of the year. So if this dips, which we're going to look at the support levels in just a moment, that is creating opportunity for those that have not entered or those that are looking to add to a position. And the first thing is AMC to accept Dogecoin for digital gift card purchases, as well as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash for online concession movie ticket purchases by the end of 2021. So going into 2022, this is going to build revenue for them as cryptocurrencies continue to rise and grow and so forth and further adopt. And also AMC is making a huge move that they want people to never forget, making a purpose or giving these cryptocurrencies some type of value to exchange the value of these cryptocurrencies for the value of a ticket for a movie, popcorn, food, all of that, creating it into a currency more than just a digital currency, more than just a meme coin. Now, apart from that, right, we've seen this move up strongly at the beginning of October when this was all announced, and then again on this dip, because not too long ago, back on October 30th, if we look at the 30th, which is the beginning here of this reversal from the 29th to November 1st, they stated that AMC theaters will accept Shiba Inu as a ticket payment option as well. This is huge because now all of these meme coins, all of these quote unquote worthless coins are going to be able to get you an entry or even food or anything within the AMC world. And it's like AMC is innovating by becoming part of this crypto movement and also the crypto value, right? To create some type of value so it can actually be a currency that will be used. And AMC theaters is increasingly interested in accepting crypto ticket payments. Like, this is huge. And as this continues, we are going to see it all further adopt and create that further adoption that all the cryptocurrencies need, and also value to AMC because crypto holders are going to watch movies at AMC because they own crypto and they accept crypto. That is something that is a statement, not just for today, but for the innovation of the future. If people tend to remember who was one of the first movie theaters to accept crypto, allow them to buy food, drinks, and everything you can ask for within the movie theater, AMC Entertainment, guys. That is a huge, huge statement and bold move. Now, the first level I'll be watching here on the 30-minute, if it breaks through it, is $38.85, and then all the way back down here to $34. I'll be watching between those areas for a possible entry or what I would call the dip. But another thing that I'm watching is on the 1 day, we are fighting to go higher, and if this earnings actually makes it go back, that is something I will be watching carefully because the stock was in an uptrend, and if it creates a rejection again like it did last time, that is why I'm going to be watching between $38 and $34. And if $34 gets broken through, the next point of reference I'll be watching is $28 to $34 and see what goes on within this area, creating probably one of the best dip opportunities, getting close to the lowest point that we've seen AMC since it went up higher, to create that opportunity of what I would like to call a setup before the next bull run. Not a setback, not a downfall, not weakness, if not the setup for the next bull run. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about it. What do you think about AMC accepting all these cryptos? What do you think it's going to do to the cryptos and the company itself? And do you think they're going to beat earnings or miss it? I look forward to seeing those thoughts down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.